Welcome to my video. So guys, we all know that UK has launched the ETA platform, and they are expanding the nationalities, those who need ETA. There's gonna be some addition of nationalities starting Jan 8, and I think in March somewhere, I don't remember the exact date, more nationalities are gonna be added. So I'm gonna show you how you can apply this through a mobile app. So what you have to do, you have to go to the Play Store and search for UK ETA, as you can see, and tap on open. I have already installed it. It's a free app, you are not gonna pay for it, so don't worry about it. So three steps it is: confirm your identity and answer some questions, pay for your application. So I'm gonna do it. What will you need it? The passport that you will use to travel to UK, access to your email, a credit or debit card, of course, like email access to get the notifications email, and passport to verify your identity, and credit or debit card to pay the fee. Okay, you can start, continue. Okay, you're gonna tap start now. Notifications, what I have to receive your ETA decision. So I'm gonna put email address and tap on continue. Okay, I'm sorry. So what it does, it sends a 6-digit code to the email account that you put in, and that code you have to put in to come to the next stage. Okay, so here you need to select your add your phone number. If you don't have a phone number, then click on the tap on this I don't have a phone number. But why would you do that? Who doesn't have phone number nowadays, right? So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna click on continue. So now it is asking if I have a biometric chip. So I checked my passport, I have it. So I'm gonna click on yes, tap on yes. For my Canadian passport, this was right on top of the page. Now it's asking me to take a photo. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Now because okay, the photo has been taken. Now because this passport that I have is chip enabled, so now it is asking me to scan this passport so that they can scan and verify the information. Okay, so it is telling me to close the passport and remove any cases you have on the phone or your passport before you continue. So I'm going to scan it, and then I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so now it has accessed the information stored. Now it's gonna asking me to scan with phone camera, my face with scan camera. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna show you guys again. Now the face has been scanned. Now it is asking me to take your photo, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna see you guys again. Okay, now it is asking for the home address, so I'm gonna provide the home address, and then I'm gonna tap on continue. Next, it is checking for the nationality. So this is scanned from passport. If you have more nationalities, you can click on add another nationality. I don't have, so I'm going to click on continue. Now it is asking for the job details. Do you have any job? Yes, I do. Okay, then you need to provide the job details. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to tap on continue. Now it is asking for a criminal conviction. I never had, so I click tap on no. Okay, now I'm going to tap on continue. Have you ever been involved in or suspected of any of the following? I select no, because that is applicable in my case. You need to do as per your case. Okay, and after that a summary page came where you can see all the information that you have entered. Next is to continue to payment. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but and then it's going to take us for the payment. I'm not going to do that because this is a sample video, but you got an idea how to do this. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.